Yes, I'm here. Fun Food Factory, Factory Food Boy. Alright, I'm here to demonstrate how a hard-working Jamaican man eat their food when they're hungry. How a hard-working Jamaican man eat their food when they're hungry. Alright, what we have here in our plate? We have boiled breadfruit, we have ackee that is prepared, cooked, and chopped. We have bird pepper. Yeah, some people call it cayenne pepper. We have vegetable that is consists of spinach, kale, long leaf cabbage. I think that's about it. And we have avocado. Right. So I'm gonna demonstrate. Oh, and for the drink, it's coconut water with civil orange, or they call it sour orange in Jamaica, yeah man, or bitter orange in other parts of the world. Alright, so Fun Food Factory. I am now gonna demonstrate how a hungry Jamaican man eat their food. Yes, mama! Thank you, here. Boy, me did it. Mm, mm, Go on, tell. What am I saying here for? Rotted job. What am I saying here for? You know what? You feel me nice? You ain't talking about sitting up on a cup side. That's not necessary, mama. Boy, me say me hungry something, me feel like me go blind. Mm-mm. Me say hungry and mad me. Me say me out in I feel, you know. All me a think about I food. Jaja. Boy, me I tell you today we hard, mama. Thank you, here. Blessed love. Rotted job. How I sugar chuck turn over from. I mean what me sister. Oh, you don't use much sugar? Right, mama, me need more sugar in this cup here. Cause it come like sugar chuck them turn over a long pan. No sugar in this drinks. Oh, and a drinks. A coconut water with me want a little sugar in it. You can cook it up, girl. Boy, if I want thing me have a fact. That enough work for you or any family in a part, I tell you, you take care of me. And as my mother will tell me, I wait to a man's stomach, I wait to a man's heart, is through his stomach. Girl, me not let you go nowhere. More food in our pot. Only one pregable fruit and three rocky. There we come. Voila. Let me just run off this and see if me really want more. Me a choke. How will I cook tomorrow? Oh, the same thing? What? No, me don't want no pig steel. Cook the same thing. And cook the same way, yeah? And I put too much salt in it, you know. Why you cook the same way? You can be, you remember how to cook it? Alright. Yeah, food all in chopping on my beard. Girl, me I come wash your foot tonight. Even though me tired down here, me I come from work, me I come wash your foot tonight, girl. Me I come for wine iPad, you hear? Yeah, man. What? When the boy take out the way they pick up their fruit for man. Me not just say me have to pick up their fruit and tree. So, I want the boy, man. Me don't want box him down, you know, man. Me say, me come like me land him for Finiam. Sure. You think man come from bush? Hard working and hungry. You're gone in a pot. You know left one in a pot, man. You should have seen the girl name, me name you. Alright, fun food, factory food, boy. That's a perfect demonstration of a Jamaican where hungry, we come from work. And me I tell you, appreciate the food we get. That's our Jamaican reaction, you hear? Yeah man, big up on the rat itself, you know, you don't know any, it's your boy knowledge, you know. And if this is the first time you see the channel here, yo, just what? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like, you hear? And me I tell you, say, more true and authentic video come like this. Yo, fun food, factory food, boy! Fun food, factory food. Fun food, factory food, yeah! Fun food, factory food. Yeah man, big up on yourself!